Joana here. Welcome back to my channel and the 5-minute quick finisher with resistance bands for the upper body today. Let's do this. 5 minutes, 5 exercises. Yeah, let's go. Down on the mat. Okay, I am using a light band today. Let's see how this will go. So the first exercise is a lateral alternating pull downs. So light band, timer is on, starting in 10 seconds. So I'm gonna extend my arms. I'm gonna extend my arms and now pull down and up, pull down and up. One arm at a time to the side. It's only 1 minute each exercise. That's why I'm using a light band, because otherwise it's gonna be pretty much impossible to go for the full range of motion. Pull down and up, down, up, down, up. Almost there with the first exercise. Nice job. Now I'm gonna sit down. The band goes around my wrists. And now chest pull downs. So pull towards your chest and open. Pull and open. Pull and open. Pull and open. Pull and open. Shoulders on fire. Triceps as well. That's what it is. Just keep going, we're almost done. It's only 5 minutes. Okay, nice job. Now we're gonna be in plank positions. And we're gonna tap to the sides. And now tap in, tap in, tap in, tap in, tap in, tap in, tap in. If you need to modify, you can drop down on your knees. Tap in, tap in. Keep going. Tap in, tap in, tap in, tap in, tap in. And stretch for a second. Okay, now the band again goes around your wrists. Now plank to down dog transitions. And now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now switch arms. The other one goes first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Switch again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Almost there. Okay, the last exercise, seated row. Okay. With twist, and roll and twist, roll and twist, and twist. We're gonna switch in a moment. Roll and twist, roll and twist. The opposite arm and leg. And now switch. The other arm, the other leg. Roll and twist, roll and twist. Woohoo! Yay! Okay. Nice job, everyone. This was your 5-minute quick finisher with resistance band for the upper body, for the arms, beautiful shoulders, triceps. That was amazing. Well done. Make sure you check in with using hashtags JVFit and tag me in your photos so I can see your amazing progress, hard work and results. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so I can continue bringing more free, fun challenges for you. If you're looking for an at-home workout program, make sure you visit my online fitness studio at joanav.fit. Join me there and the rest of the community, because to get the best results you need to follow a schedule, a structured program. Tons of variety: Pilates, bar, cardio, bands, CrossFit. You'll be amazed and I promise you'll stay consistent. See you there.